In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of working with video overlays in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're just getting started with video editing or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through using track layers effectively. To get started, open Adobe Premiere on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure it's set up and ready to go. With Premiere open, the next step is to bring in the video you want to use as your background. In the Library panel, you'll see all your previously imported videos. Identify the file you want for your background and click on it. Once selected, click and hold to drag this video onto your timeline. You'll want to place this clip specifically on the V1 track. The V1 track acts as the foundational layer. It's the base of your video project where the main content is typically positioned. This setup allows for additional clips or layers to be placed above it without affecting the primary background video. Now that you've set your background, let's add your second video, which will be used as an overlay. Just like before, you'll find this video in your project library. Click and drag the second clip, and this time drop it directly above the V1 track onto the V2 track. Using multiple tracks in Premiere is all about organizing your layers. V2 is where you can start to introduce new elements that sit on top of your base video. Overlaying involves stacking clips in a layered fashion, giving you the ability to have the overlay video play simultaneously with the background. Once your overlay clip is in place on the V2 track, you might want to make some adjustments to how it appears over your background. To do this, simply click on your overlay clip in the timeline to select it. Then, up in the workspace, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. This is where you gain access to various tools for tweaking the visual properties of your overlay clip, whether it's scaling it down to appear as a picture-in-picture or altering its opacity so that it blends smoothly with your background. Experiment here to achieve your desired look. And that's it. These simple steps form the foundation of working with overlays in Adobe Premiere Pro. Remember that practice is key to mastering any new skill, so take your time experimenting with different overlay techniques to see what works best for your style. We've covered how to set up a background, layer an overlay, and adjust it to fit your project's needs. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with overlays. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.